welcome to my channel. I bought these suitcases 10 years ago, back when two of my kids were just 4 and 5 years old. Since then, they've been packed for beach trips, national parks, and summer camps, and they've traveled by car and plane. Let me show you what makes this suitcase so great. This suitcase size is 20 by 13 by 7.5 with the wheels. The opening is deep enough to hold all of your child's clothes. The top side has a mesh interior with a zipper. On the outside, there are two more pockets, a shallow one here at the top and a deeper one here at the bottom. This suitcase has been perfect for my kids in all the travels. Pause. The tote bag measures 14 by 11 by 5.5. It is the perfect bag for your child to place all the things they want. Handy on a trip. I call it the car bag, which I talk about on my blog. There are feet on the bottom. On this inside is a large space for all the things your child might want to take on a trip. On the outside front, there is a pocket. It's pretty roomy. On the back is another pocket that zips. It's about this deep and goes this length of the suitcase. And finally, on this, there is a trolley sleeve. Very handy when in an airport or going into a hotel. This set is from Amazon. There are many different color choices and designs. At this time, it cost around $34. I have placed a link in the description below. Do know that I'm an Amazon associate and I do get a small commission. That doesn't change your price at all. I really think this is a great set for the money. If you're looking for a set for your child, take a look at it. Thanks for watching and happy travels.